Yeah, that's right. Heard the title. Yeah, that's right. You heard the title. I am literally going to be doing chemistry homework because that's due today for school. So, what is a better way than doing it on a freaking stream? So, I will start getting set up. I'll get my stuff out. Hey, yo, he's bringing his stuff out. What? Yes, we are going to be doing some science, specifically about like the mole. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, whoops. Sorry, I forgot. I had to. Oh my god, my voice.
You're
I
gonna
forgot.
be learning about explosions, huh?
No, I'm
No,
not.
no, no, I'm just kidding. I heard what he said.
Alright, anyways, I gotta bring out my Chromebook in my folder. No, I'm gonna. No. Oh, fuck. There's some things that I'm gonna. Hold up. Fuck. Alright. Now, there is some things on my Chromebook, like my full name and stuff, so it's gonna be a while until I actually turn my camera on. Because I don't think that's a good thing to just expose your name like that.
Yeah.
So get the oh damn, my phone just got weighed down. I wonder if I can reverse my camera though. Because I know I can turn on my camera if it wants me to do that. Let's see. Oh damn, I'm still on the homework. That's crazy. Well, we will be continuing the what? Tog, connect your devices. There you go.
Yeah. For some reason, I tried to disconnect only my camera, but it disconnected both of them.
Damn.
Hold up. I'll be back.
All right. Oh shucks. Guys, I'm trying to figure out how to turn on my camera. All right. I'm back. It's my hand right there. And this is my chemistry homework. So, I fucked up a little bit, but all right. Let's see. Oh damn, Tog. Mr. Tog. So, guys, we will be doing wait, is that upside down? That's upside down. Aw shit. No, this is a Chromebook. You seen this? Fuck, it's reversed. Okay. Why the fuck is it still reversed? Oh well. Yeah, that's my chemistry homework. We're gonna be doing that today. Let's hope I don't. Okay, I didn't accident. Yeah. All right. Anyways, we actually got to do this stuff. You see? Okay. Now my phone is like not wanting to stay up, so let me just like support it with like a blanket or something. This sucks on ice. Just- Hmm. No, I don't think I can. I could try to find something, but all right. So let me just pull out my periodic table. This thing, it's got all the periodic stuff. Holy fuck. Hold up. Oh fuck. Oh my. Let's see. I can try, yeah. And then let me grab this. Yep. This is some bullshit right here, guys. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. And I need to do this whole backside of that paper. And then I'll finally be done with my homework. Okay, well technically I don't need to do this because I was supposed to turn it in today and have it finished today, but obviously I'm not going to school today, so yeah. But all right, let's do this. Let's actually finally start. Hold up, this is fucking. All right. Okay, now let me. There we go. Get it closer up. Okay, now this question right here, question number 6. It says, "What is the mass of 2.84 mole of copper 2 iodine? Use 2 decimal points and include your label." I'm fucking cooked. So, what? I don't have a whiteboard. Uh, I don't have a whiteboard to do this. 90.07 G. 901.07 G. Okay, didn't even 9. My goodness. You know, just all right. There it is. How many atoms are in 0.750 moles of zinc? Hold on. Why did my dad just DM me? Hold up. What? All right. Everyone else has to go to school, but I don't today. So ha ha ha. All right. How many atoms are 0.750 moles of zinc? I don't know. Let's find out. We're gonna find out together. 4.52. All right. Where's that? First answer. Check. Check for all the following. That would be considered a type of particle: atom and a molecule. I have no idea what the fuck a Kelvin is. What type of bonding occurs between sulfur and chlorine? That is covalent. Because no wait. Yes, yes. Sulfur and chlorine is a covalent bond because they're okay. This is learning with TDE. You guys are getting some educational shit right here. Okay, so sulfur is right there, right? Yeah, I think it is. I don't know. Sulfur's right there, right? And chlorine is right next to it, right? Yeah, chlorine. But they're like the same type of element. They're nonmetals. So the bond between them is covalent. If it's a nonmetal and a nonmetal, the bond will be covalent, guys. Trust me. Not a teacher. I need to go blow my nose. I'll be right back. All right, guys. I'm back. I'm back in action doing the chemistry. All right, let's see what you guys said. Nothing. That's fine. This is fucking chemistry homework we're doing. Yes, we. There are how many moles in 0.23 moles of oxygen gas? I don't know. Let's find out together. Okay, dude. This fucking shit is dumb. You guys aren't gonna tell my teacher, right? Guys, don't tell my teacher. Trust. One, 1.39. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. You won't tell my teacher. There you go. We got it submitted. 40 fucking percent. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. An 8. fuck you? The fuck you mean I got that wrong? You fucking bitch. Okay, fuck that. That shit's good, stupid. I'm sorry, what the fuck? What the fuck? Which of the following is the correct setup for the following problem? How many atoms are present in 10 grams of sulfur? Yeah, now that shit's easy. It's okay, so if we take a look at the mole map, so it's asking us um uh how many atoms are present in 10 grams. So we're down here, but we want to get up here because this is atoms. So we're gonna need two. We're gonna need two little things. So it can't be that. It cannot be this one because that's only one. It's only got one thing, and it can't be this one because it's only got one thing. So you take those out. Okay. So now, because we're going from up here. Sorry, it's reversed and all the letters are shit, but so we're going to mass to the mole and then the mole to particles. So what we'll do is we'll take the mass, and we want to get to the mole, so we'll cancel out the molar mass, which means that the molar mass will go on the bottom. So therefore, they're both the fucking same for the first one. They're both the same. They're both if they both say 1 moles. I did not need to fucking explain that. I'm gonna fucking my ugh. Okay, so now because now we're going from moles, to particles. Now we want to cancel out the mole, the mole. I cancel out the mole. So the 1 mole will go on the bottom. So guys, you're gonna help me out here. Which answer has 1 mole on the bottom? This one or that one? Which one has moles on the bottom, guys? This is an interactive experience for the both of us. Me and my audience. Which one has 1 mole at the bottom of the answer of the answers? Yes, Tog, you are correct. It is this one right here, which means that one is our answer. Good job. Which of the following contains the greatest number of atoms? I don't fucking know. Okay, so atoms. So you see atoms as particles, which is this one right here, the top one. Um, shit, Tog. Ah! Anyways, oh wait, they all contain the same number of atoms. I don't have to do jack shit. Let's go. How many grams of silver sulfite would you have? How many grams of silver sulfate would you have if you had 2.68 times 10 to the 24th formula units in your possession? I'm not doing that. Fucking fool. You know that one question that we got wrong? Where it was like, What are acceptable like things for particle to also call particles? Formula units was one of them. Fuck you. Fuck you. Wait, fuck. What was the last number? 2? 2G. Okay. How many moles are in 25? There's only one. There's one mole. I think. Like, water's just H2O. Which is why we're not calling it H2O and just water. How many moles are in gram? Okay, so we take the molar mass of H2O, which is okay, guys. We're gonna learn some more. Okay, where's hydrogen? All right, so hydrogen right here. If it wants to focus, well, it says 1.01, and it says H2O, which means that we're gonna take the regular mass of hydrogen and times 2, which means we get 2.02. Then oxygen's mass is 16. Is six is fucking 16. So what we'll do is that we'll take 2.02 plus 16, which will be our molar mass. So then, which way are we trying to go? Well, we're trying to get to the mole. So what we'll do is we'll take 2.50 times 1, but we don't really need to friggin' do that. Because if we did 2.5 times 1, then that's just gonna give us 2.5. Or no, 25. So now we divide 25 divided by 16 18.02. So what we'll do is we'll take 25 divided by 18.02. What do we get? We get 1.3. We get 1.39. Yes, we get 1.39 gram, or 1.39 particles. Or moles. 1.39 moles. I think. If this is wrong, hey, I did look it up this time, at least. So, how many atoms are in 99 grams of calcium? Well, guys, like we've been doing, we're trying to get. Oh, we have to we have to do it twice. We have to do 2 because we're trying to get from the bottom to the top, but just 2 steps. So 2-stepper. I don't want to do that. I don't have a whiteboard, so I'm kind of incapable of doing that. Whatever, she can blame my mom. There are 1.5, 1.50. If there are 0.20 moles and 8.9 grams of CO2, what's the number of CO2 molecule? I'm not fucking doing that. Dude, I'm telling you right now, I don't want to do any of that shit. I didn't even get to copy it. There we go. So now, oh yeah, by the way, I guess the stream is ending soon because we're on question number 6 out of 10. So if it wants to hurry up, 1.2, okay. Or did she purposely put that on there to trick me? Because like, oh yeah, he's just gonna look it up. Oh yeah, they're just gonna look it up. So now I'm gonna give them a wrong answer. Oh well, I really do not give a fuck. Now, guys, little known fact. This formula right here, C6H12O6, is sugar. That is the formula for sugar. 3.34. There you go. How many valence electrons does element X have in the following imaginary compound? X2, X3. It's got 3. Why? Because of the swap and drop. I don't really want to explain it that much. Ah, that's crazy, Brambani Burganis. Okay, so why it's 3? Let's say that X had a charge of 2. No. Okay, I'm just gonna use my periodic table. Okay, so let's say that we're doing aluminum oxide. Okay? That's the example. So aluminum has a charge of +3, and oxygen has a charge of -2. So when we put that into an equation like this, it won't balance out and make an overall charge of a neutral or the charge won't be overall neutral because it'll be more positive. Because if we do aluminum oxide, aluminum has +3 and oxygen has -2. So what we'll do is that we'll just swap the valence electrons. Basically, oxygen will get the 3, therefore its charge is being -6, and then aluminum will be +6, which therefore will cancel each other out and will make a neutral charge. You're welcome. What is the name of the compound SiCl3? Isn't that, hold up, isn't that silicone? Yeah, that's just hold up, I gotta do the capital. Silicon fuck. Trichloride. Alright. Now if you guys remember oh fuck. If you guys remember that oxygen one that we did, I don't know if it was here. Or the one where I explained to you why the thing was covalent. This is what I mean by two nonmetals. Silicon and chlorine are both nonmetals. So, which is why they're covalent. But the other thing is that there's these things called prefixes, right? These guys. Those. It's like, okay, so 3, because it's silicon trichloride because there's a 3 right there. But let's say that was a 1. Well, that would be silicon monochloride, or let's say that was a 2. It'd be dichloride, and so on. You do the prefix, this part, and then you do the rest. And then we just look the last one up because I'm fucking lazy. Hi, if 10 grams of magnesium was mixed with 2 moles of hydrochloric acid, how many molecules of hydrochloric acid were used? I have no fucking idea, and I'm not doing that. Approximately 1.20. All right, let's see. I really don't care if I get any. Hey, look, 80% this time. 80%. Let's see what we got wrong. 2 and 3. Okay, let's see. Which of the contains the number of... Oh, they're all not the same. You fuck ass. And then, okay, I could see how this was wrong. That's fine. And hey, I got no more homework on the computer. Okay, well, I guess I do have to read a lot. Like I have to read a fuckload of pages, but come on, I'm not doing that. So, wait, how long is it? Why is this a 30-minute stream? This should not be a 30-minute stream. But anyways, yeah, I think that's gonna do it for the stream, guys. I mean, like, I am done with my chemistry homework, and that was the whole point of the video. So, yeah, I'm gonna end the stream now. I don't really know how to do an outro.